Standard operating procedures in lavatory cleaning. Do not forget to wear gloves, goggles, and mask if the establishment requires you to do so. The following are steps in cleaning the lavatory. First, flush the toilet twice. This will moisten the inside of the bowl as well as flush the dirt. Second, sprinkle cleanser around inside of the bowl. Third, leave for the cleanser to work depending on the strength of the cleanser. This would take around 5 to 10 minutes. Fourth, wash, finish, and sanitize outside of the pedestal, seat, lid, and water tank with a clean cloth soap in cleaning solution. Do not use hard bristle brushes as they may damage the lavatory. Fifth, brush inside of the bowl. Sixth, wipe dry around the underside of the bowl. Seven, flush the lavatory. 8. Check flush, seat, cover, lid, water tank, and others for drip or other condition that may cause discomfort to the guest.
We would like to thank Acacia Inn and Resto Bar, located at Poblacion, Kandihay, Bohol.